If you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button and click that subscribe button along with the bell notification icon so that you get notified each time we upload an epic video. Hey guys, I'm Nikin here. In this video we are going to unboxing iPad 2017 model, so let's get started. This is iPad 2017 model, Retina display model. You can see the Apple branding. If you observe the package, you can't find any specific generation of iPad. It's an iPad, that's it. It's a 32GB Wi-Fi only model. Let's peel off the cover. This iPad has come with a Retina display. One of the best things about this iPad is its price tag. It's not really cheap as it mentioned. If you are living in India, you should pay more than the US. You can grab this one at 28,000 in India at Apple stores. In the box we do get iPad, a lightning to USB cable and USB power adapter. Besides, we do get 2 Apple stickers from Apple. The package is bundled with a 10 watts USB power adapter, but unfortunately it does not support fast charging. 10 hours of battery life gives more confidence to play high-end games. The A9 chip with M9 core processor can handle almost every task flawlessly. The 8-megapixel camera can shoot 1080p HD video recording at 30 frames per second. This iPad offers 9.7-inch diagonal LED backlit multi-touch display with IPS technology. It's a quick unboxing video. Next video we will discuss all the features of iPad 2017. Thanks for watching this video.